Full blast. Uh, 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 uh. Do I got it on? Yeah, I do. 20 watts. Yeah, 20-watt radio here. It's slamming that meter there. That could be adjusted. Hello, 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 hello. Yeah, see, it's slamming that. It shouldn't really slam it. Hey, 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 hey. Yeah, $200. But, that's only for the serious guy that wants a Texas Ranger. The 296 FGK. FGK. Yeah. Oh, and it's got channels in it, I believe. Yeah. 28025 PLL channels. The DIM is channels. The counter button, I believe, is channels. Let's see. Let's go down here. Yeah. 26.8. So when you hit the counter button, it's lowers. So it'll do 915 and them good ones, 805. It'll go down to 815. So yeah, 815 all the way to 965 right there. And then this button. I guess it'll still work. These PLL channels are weird. Okay, you got channel 80 there. And I know you can go to 555 with this somehow. Yeah, both of these buttons gives you 27505. There's 555 right there. Also, there's this dim button. So I think that's sort of, I don't know what that is. That's 20 kc's jump. 555 to 595. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 4 channel jump. That's odd. PA is just PA. NB is NB. So, yeah, and on 555, it's pretty powerful too. 22 watts, actually. Okay, so that's that radio. It works. Okay, just wanted to test this stream out and see what's going on. I guess nobody else is here. Alrighty. Yeah, how do I get out of this? Boat Anchor CB radio repair, and we're going to close out the stream here. I don't know how to do that. How do I do that? I don't know. Hold on a second. Uh-huh. Okay. Um, no. No. The plus thing. Start a poll. No. I don't know how to do that kind of crap yet. Okay. Here live again. Okay. Yeah, this is weird. I guess there is no stop button. Huh. Have a good night. Okay. I really don't have that kind of money neither. All right. I'm out of here. If I can get back out of here. How did I get out of here?